मानता ना जिया एका पाला होना बिना.
This is Jhankar. She lives in a hamlet near the village of Kishanpura, Block Bassi, District Jaipur. 4 years ago, leave alone ride a motorcycle, she had never been permitted to step out even onto the main road to Jaipur. Today she is commuting to her college in Jaipur city from her village. Someday soon, she hopes to be a teacher of Sanskrit. Making change leaders of girls for their families, for their villages, their community, their state, their nation. What is the lot of the young woman in Rajasthan? In 1996, a demographer aimed to answer this in her PhD dissertation on gender equity and equality. She got on the ground and covered on foot 2 districts, Jaipur and Tonk. 6 months of crisscrossing them showed her that here the odds were so weighted against a girl. In Tehsil Bassi, a part of district Jaipur, the researcher also found a community receptive to instilling change through its young women. Bassi's elders and hierarchy gave her their assent to its girls learning and being part of a developmental project. Her work took her further afield, abroad and to other parts of India, but she never forgot that this part of Rajasthan had a dire dropout rate from schools for young women, younger than average brides, and even younger than average mothers, all living in the shadow of a megacity, Jaipur. So it would come to be that out of 2 rented rooms in the house of a villager in Kishanpura, Tehsil Bassi, commenced the Parinati Center in 2016. Parinati means change, and towards this change the project works by lighting a spark, building ambition, raising aptitude, being as much about we as it is about I, awakening young beacons of enterprise, knowledgeable, capable, strong, undeterred, each the startup central of their village, their hamlet, their yard. Parinati is about each moment with direction, every new day with a plan. Prior to the Parinati Center entering their lives, most had never been out of the hamlets and villages they lived in. They belong to different castes. Mingling is not encouraged. The center has been their glue and gruel. For them, there has never been a stronger sense of we, of us, of a kindred community. Here the system is weighted against the health of a girl, aged 17 to 24. All must firstly be made aware that they aren't childbearing and child-rearing machines. Each must understand that menstruation is not something unhealthy or mysterious. They learn that society cannot dictate when they move to their husband's house, or when they bear a child, or how many they bear, and how many they can give proper attention to. They are counseled on infant care, immunization, hygiene, family planning, breastfeeding. They are armed with a much-needed perspective on reproductive and sexual health and knowledge of safeguards for them in the vulnerable years from the ages of 13 upwards. Enrolling in Parinati means that now Pooja can tell her father what the best rate of return for a short-term deposit is. She is aware of the law with regard to her well-being.
हाँ तो दोस्तों, मेहरबान कदरदान साहिबान, तशरीफ रखिए। आपके सामने किशनपुरा की मशहूर पीसेल गर्ल्स कुछ प्रस्तुत करने जा रही है। नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल।
मैंने तो सुना है हमारी धरती पर पानी दिनों दिन कम होता जा रहा है।
अरे क्या बकवास कर रही है, पानी तो भगवान की देन है, बोला कैसे कम हो सकता है?
कैसे कम हो सकता है? कैसे कम हो सकता है? और मैंने तो सुना है हमारी धरती 3 तरफ से पानी से घिरी हुई है, भला पानी कैसे कम हो सकता है?
कैसे कम हो सकता है? कैसे कम हो सकता है?
क्योंकि जो पानी है वो खारा है, जो पीने योग्य है वो सीमित है।
अच्छा। पानी की एक एक बूंद है कीमती, इसे हमें बचाना है, राष्ट्र को स्वर्ग बनाना है।
पानी 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 बिन सब सुन, दुनिया आगे पानी।
And also, her peers now know what their local panchayat is debating and the rights their sarpanch has. They've each learned how to manage a passbook. They know how to type out their resumes, and all of them have opened their own bank accounts. Each module includes exposure visits related to the topic of study. So they've visited a manufacturing plant. They've also been to the local police station and interacted with police personnel. They've learned to lodge an FIR, have even been to a Zilla Parishad office and interacted with its leadership.
Good morning. Good morning. क्या हाल चाल है? सब बढ़िया? आप में से एक बात बताओ, कितने लोग सक्सेसफुल होना चाहते हैं? सब?
This topic of study is structured through 10 pillars or key learning points.
कितने लोगों को लगता है कि ये चीज सक्सेस में रुकावट है? आलस और समाज परिवार और उसमें ऐसे देखते हैं तो शक्ल दिख जाती है किसकी वजह से सक्सेसफुल हो। मुझे समाज दिख रहा है यार। नहीं मुझे तो वो दिख रहे हैं ससुराल। और मुझे तो बच्चे भी दिख रहे हैं यार। सब लोग मानते हो कि खुद ही सक्सेस के लिए खुद ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल है। पक्का? पैसे से रिलेटेड जो 3 चीजें अपने को, जैसे पैसा मिला बच्चों को कम से कम 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है, उसी के लिए हिसाब से मैंने ये बनाया है। ठीक है, देखो, ठीक है, ये क्या है? पिगी बैंक है। ठीक है, सबसे पहला जो 100 रुपए हुए आपके पास, 100 रुपए में से 10 रुपए इन्वेस्ट, इट्स अ सीड, बीज है ये। अपने घर में जब फसल लेके आते हो तब क्या होता है? फसल को सबसे पहले क्या करते हो? बीज अलग रख देते हो, उस बीज में खाते थोड़ी हो। वो 10% तुमको इस वाले में डालना है, और वो स्क्रू से बंद है, वो खोलना नहीं है कभी भी, जब तक कि तुम्हारे पास कोई ढंग का इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान नहीं हो। दूसरा, स्पेंड, 85% स्पेंड करो, कंजूस मत बनो, स्पेंड करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। और 5% से ज्यादा दूसरों को दो, शेयर। ये सीड है, ये नीड है, और ये डीड है। ठीक है, इतने पैसे हो गए। ठीक है, अब तुमको फटाफट बताना है कि तुम पैसे कहाँ खर्च करोगे। अब अपना ये सोचो कि मेरे क्या क्या माइंडसेट है, उसको मैं क्या करूंगी? ब्रेन वॉश करूंगी। अगर मैं ये सोचती हूँ मैं कमजोर हूँ, तो मैं आपसे बोलूंगी मैं स्ट्रॉन्ग हूँ। ऊंचा जाना है तो पहले जाना पड़ेगा ना? सही बात है ना?
Paper money is the mode of exchange. There are many interesting ways in which money is used, exchanged and valued in the world.
बोल रहा है अपने बारे में, आई एम कुछ भी, आई एम, या फिर मैं कमजोर हूँ, मैं अच्छी हूँ, मैं सुंदर हूँ, जो भी तुम बोल रहे हो, मैं एक सक्सेसफुल इंसान हूँ।
आई एम पीसीएल, आई एम ए स्ट्रॉन्ग गर्ल, आई एम पीसीएल कविता, मैं बहुत अच्छी लड़की हूँ, मैं किसी से कमजोर नहीं हूँ।
The girls live in a society that is largely agricultural. They help out round the clock with farming chores, yet are undervalued as workers. So it is in their best interests that they know why bajra grows well on the kind of soil that Kishanpura has, or why their father has to apply for permission to install a borewell or tube well on his land. Other learnings: the right way to store produce, how long to run sprinklers on her family's fields for. She is made conversant with the learning methods and mechanisms of organic farming, as well as the marketing of farm produce. She is also made to understand the dynamics of money lending and how a cooperative bank can perhaps serve her family's needs better. The module appraises a girl on how big of an enabler she is in the village economy. It empowers her as an agriculturalist. With a designing and tailoring unit in place, Parinati girls can sew their own clothes. They have a basic know-how of tailoring, design and embroidery. Baby clothes, crafted file covers and handbags come together quite nicely in an afternoon on these machines. Parinati's change leaders also lead self-help groups. To date, there are 6 in place, comprising 75 women. This is a platform for awareness, for knowledge about anything from savings and credit to vocations and professional courses. This is also where personal problems are aired. It is a forum for mutual trust, support, acceptance, and for being there for one another.
स्वयं के द्वारा स्वयं की जरूरतों को पूरा करना।
एक और बताओ।
मतलब इसके अंदर ये होता है कि हम लोग पैसे लेते हैं और उसके अंदर जिसको जरूरत होती है ना उसको वो पैसे ब्याज के ऊपर दे देते हैं। तो वो ब्याज देती है, तो वो ब्याज जब लास्ट में जुड़ के आता है ना तो उस ब्याज को हम आपस में बांट लेते हैं। तो ऐसी सेविंग भी हो गई एक तरीके से, और एक साथ जो पैसे आते हैं ना उससे फिर हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं।
सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप में 1 से लेकर 19 तक औरतें हो सकती है, और वो ऐसी औरतें हो, मतलब जब सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप बनता है जब ऐसी औरतें हो जिन पर हमें विश्वास हो और जो वाकई में कुछ करना चाहती हो।
वेरी गुड, थैंक यू वेरी मच। कुछ और शेयर करना है?
जैसे कि सर रीतु है ना, इसकी मम्मी हमारे साथ में जुड़ी हुई है, तो इसकी पढ़ाई के पैसे लगते ना तब हमारे ग्रुप में से ले जाकर और रीतु को दे देती, तो रीतु है ना फीस जमा करवा देती है।
ठीक है ना?
What can a girl's family be insured for? What subsidies are farmers being handed? Where can she learn a skill that lands her a career? What are the signs that an animal she is tending to has fallen seriously ill? Light is also shone on rural employment and the nitty-gritty on roads, electricity, entitlements. 70 plus workshops spanning 7 learning modules imparted to 2 batches, 30 girls in village Kishanpura and another 30 in village Akhaipura. As a result of the project, some girls have made remarkable progress in defying the odds and standing up for themselves. One may say they have even changed the thinking around many issues in the village system. An undeniable headway has been made in education. A clear sign that Project Parinati is working is the difference in the senior secondary board exam results of 10 girls who attended its classroom sessions. As worthy of celebrating is their personal development, the advancements in each girl's journey. Lalita Devi appeared for her board examinations alongside her 1.5-day-old baby. Shankar, whom we've met earlier, is on her way to a B.Ed degree in Sanskrit in Jaipur. Reena Jangid is an accomplished dancer who took it upon herself to report a male harasser to the police and lodge an FIR. Sunita Chaudhary is a recipient of the Rajasthan government's Gargi Award, having obtained above 75% in her senior secondary examination results. Charu Sharma teaches children between the ages of 7 and 13 in after-school learning classes at a non-governmental organization in neighboring Akhaipura. Asha Jangid is an example to every young woman in rural India. Married at the age of 18 and having born a child, she was summarily thrown out of her husband's home. She took it upon herself to stand up before a local magistrate to pursue a case for divorce. Today she is teaching at a private school and continues to study further. Rachna Bairwa married at the age of 15. Remarkably, she has convinced her parents and in-laws that it is best she stay in her parents' house, complete her education, and continue to train at the Parinati Center. Sport used to be taboo for them. Now they regularly beat inter-school teams of various schools in Panchayat Kacholia. Rekha Bairwa was once engaged and then chose not to marry and had the wholehearted support of her family in the matter. Through Project Parinati, bolder ambitions have taken wing. She wants a place in the national Kabaddi team. She to serve in the Rajasthan Administrative Service. She'd like to farm progressively. She aims to be a teacher. And she the Sarpanch of her Panchayat. She wants to start Parinati 3. Her goal is to practice as a lawyer. For fired up by the example of Parinati 1, Parinati 2 is already underway in a neighboring hamlet. And Charu Sharma has embarked on this smaller version of Parinati, imparting what she had learned to another small group of girls. Parinati is concerted education, training and counseling to make change leaders of girls. Parinati rolls out in cohorts of 30 girls, trained for a period of 3 years at a time.
Angel. Very good.
Eka Kanya, the non-governmental organization that implements Project Parinati, also has in place a rural fellowship program for girls in Rajasthan. In 2019, the program awarded 10 fellowships to girls who aspired to higher education and had demonstrated an aptitude for it. If this is to be a woman's century, then change starts here in Kishanpura at the Parinati Center.